I know this is an awful thing to even think about, but do you think her case has in any way changed the psyche of the Irish people in relation to the way women are treated and men are talked to about women and the way they should be treated?
I actually don't think so. I think at the time there was this kind of public outcry and there was kind of that awareness. But going on now, following on now, I mean, I don't think there's been much change. We're still seeing cases of domestic violence, sexual violence. The conversation has to change. It has to be, the conversation now needs to go from women, you're doing what you can, you're told to do X, Y and Z, but the conversation has to change and, you know, men need to be taught, don't go out and murder people. They need to be taught consent in school, and it needs to go back into that kind of early sort of, you know, topics of misogyny against women. It doesn't just begin, you know, at murder.
It starts at the little